everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Y'all know on our channel we make a lot of homemade products, and in today's video we're going to be making some homemade bug spray. Great for mosquitoes or any kind of bugs when you go outside and you don't want to get eat up by the bugs, especially when you're going camping or working in the garden. This right here might be exactly what you're looking for. We're going to go pick blackberries, and today I'm going to make us a homemade version of some mosquito spray. We do have some of the canned stuff, but we're almost out, and I want to go back to using what I've got and make us some homemade bug spray. It's a lot better for your skin, and it makes you feel better using it, knowing what you've got in it. So if y'all want to do this for your family, just follow the video. I'll link the directions and recipe down below. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to be adding to our recipe is 1/4 cup of filtered water. And at the end, depending on how full my bottle gets, I may just top it off with a little bit more water. We're going to leave that funnel in there. And now we're going to measure out 1/2 cup of our witch hazel. And now after the witch hazel, we're going to go ahead and you can either use alcohol, or I've even heard of people using vodka. But today I'm just going to measure out 1 tablespoon of the rubbing alcohol. I don't want to put a lot of the alcohol in it because alcohol does dry out your skin. So that's why we used mostly our witch hazel for this recipe. And to that, I'm going to add, just because I want it to have something to rub in your skin with, we're going to add a little coconut oil, and we're going to add the glycerin. Now the glycerin makes the essential oil dissolve more in the liquid, where it won't just stick together. So we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of this coconut oil. Now this comes with my kit. You can buy any kind of coconut oil as long as you get the kind that is in the liquid form. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this glycerin. Okay, now we're going to do our essential oil, and the ones we're going to use is we're going to use some lavender, and I'm going to add about 5 drops of lavender. Okay, and then we're going to use some lemon, and that is sort of the same way a lot of your sprays smell. And bugs do not like the smell of lemon, is what most of them say. So we're going to add that to ours too. I'm going to add about 10 drops of lemon. Some grapefruit. And a tiny drop, maybe 2, of tea tree oil. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to top this off with just a little bit more water. We're going to put our top on it. Give it a good shake. And now you can use this to spray yourself when you're going outside to try to keep those mosquitoes away. Today, like I said, we're picking blackberries. And I don't want to get eat up by mosquitoes. So we're going to give this new bug spray a try. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. And putting the coconut oil in it and the glycerin you can use to just smooth it into your skin. It's a good smell. Y'all look how fast it dries. And it's not greasy. And it dries very quickly. So we're going to see if ours works as good as the store-bought. I probably spent maybe $1.50 maybe compared to buying this for like $6 for one can. That right there, just saving that amount of money is enough to make you want to change. But in the long run, we all know the homemade one is better for us than this spray can. I hope y'all like our video on making homemade mosquito spray. Okay, y'all, I hope this video helps you and you decide to try to make your own homemade bug spray. This one right here probably is around $2 after you add all my ingredients together compared to this one for $7. And this one's better for us. So I hope y'all like these kind of videos. And if it's your first time to our channel, I'm Lynn and my husband is Travis. We're trying to grow our YouTube channel. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you hadn't already. We have a lot of homemade products we made. So go check out all those too. You might find something you need. And like always, thanks for watching.